Hey, hello friends. I've got a messy website to be honest, and I take a lot of screenshots during the day, download a lot of images, various files, PDFs, screen recording, PDFs, etc. So today I thought maybe I should just make a simple search around it using Onbody to get a better understanding of what I have on my desktop actually. And that's what I'm gonna show you today. And let's start with this folder that I have here, and this is connected actually to my Google Drive. I'm gonna select a bunch of these photos and images that you can see here and just drag them here. So once it's there, it starts uploading them to Google Drive, as you can see. So let's move on to the Google Drive here. So at the moment, there is nothing here in this folder. And you can see also there is 0 records here from Onbody. But as soon as this basically started, the files are starting getting uploaded on the drive, you can see Onbody picks it up automatically and start updating and indexing all these files. So let's wait for a few moments. All right, while this is being updated, let me also show you like what features are enabled on top of this project. Currently, most of the features we are going to use for this particular demo are actually around the idea of using autofills for the images. So any like image enhancement, which includes auto captioning, automatically also image tagging. What is the type of an image, like it's a screenshot or it's a diagram, etc., and also automatic OCR into it. So these are the three basically main particular features we are using for this demo. Let's go back to the source and see if there has been any updates. Let's wait. So all the files has been updated. 55 records are in this project. Now let's go and here refresh this page because there are updates to it. So here we have a demo including all those images that has been fetched and shown here. Now let's say we want to start searching through all of these. So what I can do, let's start with simple ones. Let's say we want to find it exactly these. So we can say finder icon, right? And the first image is going to be that one. Or we can say, show me the, for example, dark theme UI, right? And as a result, all the dark themes are going to happen. Based on the screenshots, we can also start asking questions, but I'm going to do it later. Let's say do a bit of other stuff. For example, we can say a fun night or a fun evening at Irish pub, for example, and then search, and you see there is only one image here. We can say also meme about flying to London, because that's a meme I made before I flew to London. This is about that, and if I remove the meme and just make it flying to London, then I get other results as well, so like my boarding pass, etc. Let's refresh the page. Let me also show you another thing here. We can say a slide from or be specific, market a slide from Onbody presentation, and that's going to basically result into a slide that we had in our pitch deck regarding the market slide. And now let's move on to the generative part and let's ask the question. For example, what was the talk or presentation at MongoDB about, right? And then we say generate. So this time it's gonna not only search among those particular relevant files, it's also find the answers to that. So the presentation at MongoDB was about what's an AI native app. It was a live demo event by Onbody featuring Clerk and MongoDB. I hope this gave you enough information about what Onbody can do in this sense, and would love you to hear your feedback. Cheers.